What if one power cut could shut everything down or power your entire home? Welcome back to the channel. Today we reveal the top 6 best 3000-watt solar generators to keep you fully prepared. You'll discover powerful, reliable options. Check the links in the description to grab the right one. At number 6 is Pecron F3000LFP. What if one power station could replace your noisy generator completely? The Pecron F3000LFP steps in with serious authority, and honestly, it feels like a turning point in the top 6 best 3000-watt solar generator space. But does it really deliver under pressure? First, power. A massive 3072 watt-hour capacity with 3600 watt output runs refrigerators, air conditioners, even power tools without hesitation. Finally solving that fear of overload. Sounds like relief, right? Now charging. 0 to full in just 2 hours at 1800 watts. Noticeably faster compared with others. But wait, there's more. 13 ports and instant uninterruptible power supply mode bring real peace of mind for home backup, tested where it actually matters. Downsides? It's bulky and requires extra cable for expansion. Still, for serious users wanting long-term security, this is a confident, smart investment. Would you trust it during a blackout? On number 5 is Jackery HomePower 3000. What if one blackout never interrupted your life again? The Jackery HomePower 3000 steps in with confidence, and right away it feels engineered for real security. But does it truly hold up? Power first. 3072 watt-hour capacity and 3600 watt output with 7200 watt surge easily run home essentials, solving the biggest fear. Sudden shutdowns feels like relief, right? Now performance. Ultra-fast charging in 1.7 hours and seamless uninterruptible power supply switching under 20 milliseconds keep everything stable. But here's what stands out. It's lighter and more compact compared with others, making it practical, not just powerful. Downsides? Premium pricing and solar speed depends on setup. Still, for homeowners wanting peace of mind and portability, this is a smart, future-ready choice. At number 4 is AFERIY 3840 watt-hours. What if one power station could keep your home running for days without stress? The AFERIY 3840 watt-hour powerhouse instantly feels like a serious upgrade. But does it truly solve real backup problems? Let's break it down. Massive capacity and 3600 watt output handle heavy appliances with ease, eliminating that constant fear of overload. Feels like real security, right? Now, flexibility. Expandable up to 11.5 kilowatt hours means you are not just buying for today, you are planning ahead. But here's the catch. It is heavier compared with others, so portability takes a hit. Still, ultra-fast charging in 1.5 hours and under 10 millisecond uninterruptible power supply switching bring unmatched peace of mind. For homeowners needing long backup and control, this is a confident, future-ready choice. On number 3 is Jackery HomePower 3600. What if one power station could run your entire home for weeks without stress? The Jackery HomePower 3600 Plus instantly feels like a serious upgrade. But does it truly deliver when everything is on the line? Let's break it down. Strong 3600 watt output, expandable up to 43 kilowatt hours, solves the biggest problem, long outages, bringing real peace of mind. Sounds reassuring, right? Now safety. Advanced battery design with 6,000 cycles means long-term reliability tested for real-world backup. But here's the twist. It is lighter and more portable compared with others, making it practical for daily use. Charging is fast, just 2 hours for full power. Impressive, right? Downsides? premium cost and expansion setup needed. Still, for families wanting serious backup, this feels like a smart, future-ready investment. At number 2 is EcoVolt P5000 Pro 5120 watt-hour. What if one power station could run your home longer than you ever expected? The EcoVolt P5000 Pro with 5120 watt-hour capacity immediately feels like a powerhouse. But does it truly solve real blackout stress? Let's dive in. Massive capacity with 3,600 watt output handles heavy appliances effortlessly, removing the fear of sudden shutdowns. Feels like real control, right? Now speed. Full recharge in about 2.2 hours, and strong solar input keep you ready without long waits. But here's the edge. Compared with others, it offers longer runtime and smarter energy management, giving that rare peace of mind. Downsides? Heavier build and premium pricing. Still, for serious backup users who want long-lasting, reliable power, this is a confident investment.
Now moving to the last one is DABBSSON 3072 watt-hours. What if one smart power station could stretch your backup longer without adding bulk? The DABBSSON 3072 watt-hour unit steps in with a promise of efficiency. But does it actually change your experience? Let's break it down. Strong 3000 watt output with boost up to 3600 watt handles demanding devices easily, solving that frustrating power limit issue. Feels like relief, right? Now runtime. Advanced battery tech delivers longer usage compared with others, giving you that extra breathing room during outages. But here's the highlight. Fast charging up to 80% in 1.5 hours and smart app control bring convenience you actually feel. Downsides? Slightly less capacity than bigger units. Still, for balanced performance and portability, this is a smart, dependable pick. If you want one power station that truly dominates, the winner is Jackery HomePower 3600. Why? It perfectly balances power, scalability, and reliability. With expandable capacity up to massive levels, it's built for long outages, not just short backups. You get strong output, fast charging, and impressive battery lifespan, meaning it's a long-term investment, not a temporary fix. Unlike others, it adapts as your needs grow. If you want real peace of mind during blackouts, this is the smartest, future-proof choice. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 best 3000-watt solar generator. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.